Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I want to show you a really awesome effect that you can get with Insta360 X3 where you basically spin around with your camera and jump from one location to another, just like that.
So this effect is called spinning around and it's very easy to do. You just have to record 3 or 4 videos and everything else is done by the AI.
So this effect is a part of the Insta360 Shot Lab tool where you can find lots of different effects for your videos. And the best part about it is that they are all edited by the AI. So you don't have to edit it yourself. Sounds cool, right? So what you need to do is to record like 3 or 4 videos in different locations. And you're gonna need a selfie stick and Insta360 X3. So now, let's go to our first location. Alright, so we just arrived at our first location and I think it looks pretty nice. Anyway, before we begin, make sure that you set your camera to its highest setting, so that's gonna be 5.7K, 30 frames per second in 360 mode. Tiki, could you extend the selfie stick to its maximum length? And now hold it parallel to the ground. Now lock your elbows and slowly rotate to the side. Alright, so we just got our first shot. Now remember, because it's very important, that whichever direction you choose, whether it's to the left or to the right, you have to follow that direction. So it looks the same way throughout the entire video. Let's go to a new location with some nice background. Alright, so this place looks quite promising and it's quite beautiful, but unfortunately today it's under renovation. But we're gonna use it anyway. We're basically gonna do the same type of movement. So if you rotate it to the right, make sure that you do it again. Alright, so we just got our second scene, but we need to have like 3 or 4 different scenes to get the best results. Once you have all the shots you need, let me show you what you have to do in the Insta360 app. So let's go to the Insta360 app on your mobile device. From here, go to the Edit page, which is gonna take us to the Shot Lab. Here we can find lots of different effects for our videos, but what we are interested in is Spin Me Around. Click on Use this theme and select 3 video files that you want to work with. So I'm going to select these 3 and click Next. Your video is almost ready, so let's play on that. Notice that the motion blur gonna be added after you export your video. I'm gonna stop it. Now, if you don't like some of the clips in here, you can simply unclick it, and it's not gonna be featured in your video. And if you'd like to make some changes in here, perhaps you would like to change the order, you can simply press and hold on your video clip. And you can easily put it forward or a bit back. If you're happy with the results, click on Export. And your video is going to be processed in a couple of seconds. So this is how Spin Me Around looks like when you export it. It's very simple, though I think it can come really in handy for your next travel project. Anyway guys, for today's video, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.